Hi friends, welcome to another video. I have not done a Boxycharm video in a long time. I actually took a break from Boxycharm because I saw what was coming up and the following months, and I was like, I wasn't like, I didn't see the value of the $21 a month for it at the time because I just didn't need those items. I just felt like it would just cause clutter instead of anything else, and I was like, I'm not really like excited about those things, so I canceled Boxycharm for 2 or 3 months. I can't remember. I think it was only 2 months. I just didn't do my Boxycharm video 3 months ago, which I actually liked the stuff that I got, but I just didn't do it because I was in a funk. So, but I got my Boxycharm, my first one that I've restarted with, and I'm excited because it has Tarte eyeshadow in it, and I love Tarte eyeshadow. All right, so first things first, this is what you get. Boxy and chill, little thing about it. I love the colors, it's very cute. Very My Little Pony-ish. But I got this right here. I'll show you my favorite part about it. I'm just going to take everything out of the box, each piece. So this is the box that my eyeshadow came in. I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3, which is fabulous because here's the outside of it. It's just so pretty. And it has a fantastic mirror. Oh, fantastic mirror. And then these are the colors I would always go to no matter what eyeshadow palette I have. These are my go-to colors. So as you can see here, there's mostly shimmery or metallic colors, natural colors, and then there's this natural color right here, which is a matte. The colors are Escape, Tiki, Heatwave, Malibu, Raise, Compass, Jewel, and Treasure. So yeah, I am so excited to use this. I love Tarte so much, so I'm like, yes. All right, and the next thing up is this. I love Ofra. I like the brand. I mean, I don't love the brand, I like the brand. But I got this liquid lipstick or liquid lip color, long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Havana Nights. It is a very deep red, which is really pretty, and I would probably wear it like on special occasions, but honestly, it's just not a color I would probably go to that often. So what I'm going to do is I am going to give this to my mom because these kind of colors look amazing on her. They look so beautiful on her, and she loves these colors. So I'm going to give this to her just because she's awesome and she does a lot of cool stuff for me. And then if I ever want to use it, I'll just use it. I'll just go to her house and borrow it really quick, you know? But she'll get a heck of a lot more use out of it than I will. But I really think it's cute. The beautiful color is just not really for me. So it's going to my mom, which is nice though, because with Boxycharm, you can get some things and you're like, you know what, maybe it's not really for me, but I might know someone who might want to use it. And you just feel kind of nice and makes you feel good inside giving something away. And she's my mom, so she deserves it. And then I got this. This is from the brand Starlooks. I've never heard of this brand before, but hey, I'm not going to judge them because of that. But it is Brown Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. So I guess that's an eyeliner pencil. Starlooks. I'm gonna open it because I want to see if it's like really dry or if it's smooth, because this girl can't do dry pencils because I already got horribly dry skin as it is, especially around my eyes. Okay, so it is the retractable kind, so this will probably be smooth. Oh, sorry about the... Yeah, super smooth, and it's like a dark brown, so I can totally do that. I really like that a lot. I like that. It's like creamy, so that's really cool. I'm happy about that too. And then next is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I heard that Boxycharm in the past has given away these a lot, or maybe Ipsy too, I'm not sure. I've never had one before, so I'm excited about it. But this is what it looks like. I definitely don't think this is full size. It's 2 ounces, so it's definitely not full size, but it's okay, whatever. We get a lot of great full size things all the time from them. So I'm gonna smell this really quick because, okay, that smells good. It smells really good. Okay, I'm really excited for this. I really am happy about this as well. I love getting hair stuff too, because I do a lot of processing to my hair, and girl needs to put some leave-in conditioner in it sometimes. So last things up is this. You get 2 Tatcha, I think it's Tatcha, Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I heard they're very moisturizing, that they like drip with moisture when they open them. But you get 2 of them, so I'm really excited about this because I have super ultra dry skin on my face. Yeah. There's no ummies up here. There's no ummies. You want me to get you ummies? Yeah. Here you go. Say thank you.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so as I was saying, I have super dry skin on my face, like really bad around my eyes and around up here, and I just get really bad eczema anywhere. I have it all over my hands right now. I don't know if you can see or can tell, but yeah, the red, it's bad, but it's okay. I've had it all my life so far, so it's not anything new to me. But I got this, and it's supposed to be really moisturizing, so I'm excited to see how this works. Hopefully it does not irritate my skin and make my skin burn, because a lot of stuff I put on my skin burns so bad. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I will probably tell you guys in next month's Boxycharm how I liked this, just in case you're wondering. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this Boxycharm video. It is $21 a month plus tax, and shipping is free. So yeah, you get, I think, 4 to 5 full-size products each month. Sometimes they throw in a 6th item. They have done that in the past, and I'm not ever complaining about that. And yeah, so it's wonderful. I actually really like it a lot. I'm glad I started back up with it. I'm glad I got this month, because the Tarte eyeshadow palette is my, like, I'm so excited about it. I did it for that. Yeah, so next month they have a sneak peek, and there is the Better Than Sex mascara, which is definitely one of my favorite mascaras ever. I love them. So I'm really excited. It's a full size, so woo! I'm excited about that. I don't have to spend 20 something dollars for that mascara next month. Woo woo! Instead I'm spending $21 and I'm getting that plus whatever else they give me. So that's good for me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Definitely like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet. I need more friends. I'll see you guys again later. Bye now!